नमस्कार और आप देख रहे हैं क्लब ट्रैप। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज हम जाएंगे हैदराबाद और एक इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस की इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन आइडियाज़ को समझेंगे। एक डिज़ाइन आइडिया के पीछे काफ़ी सारा थॉट प्रोसेस होता है। जो न्यूआंसेस एंड डिटेल होते हैं वो जनरली हम जब अपना घर खुद बनाने जाते हैं तो उसको इग्नोर कर देते हैं। इस तरह के वीडियोज़ में आपको दो चीज़ बहुत क्लियरली समझ में आती हैं। एक तो वो सारे एलिमेंट्स आप कैसे अपने घर में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं, और एक इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ डिज़ाइनर वो आपको समझ में आता है। तो आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे हैदराबाद का एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत विला जिसको डिज़ाइन किया है मिस्टर गितेश अग्रवाल, दी ओनर ऑफ लग्जरी बुटीक होम्स। चलिए उनसे मिलते हैं।
Hello, Sanjeev ji.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you very much and welcome to Claptrap.
Thank you. Welcome,
Okay.
Welcome to Hyderabad.
Thank you very much. We meet at the store. We meet at the showroom like
Yes.
every month. This is, I guess, is the third or fourth project that we are doing together.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
outside. Okay, so talking about this particular project, just tell us what is this? What was the whole concept?
This was a concept of making a 5,000 square foot villa. The builder has just given us bare shell. Only walls and roofs were given to us.
Right.
And the client has given us the opportunity to dismantle the entire walls.
Okay.
From inside for his needs, what type of room they want, how much they want, the drawing room, living room and every other thing. And they have given us full freedom in designing. So we have done the designing of this house, execution, fall
Okay.
ceiling, electrical wiring, painting, every single thing is curated by us.
All right.
And
So
this
scope of
project-
work is everything.
Everything, whatever you see inside is done by Luxurio
Okay.
with
done.
respect to client's choice and will, as they wanted, how they wanted.
All right.
So the designing with respect to client's taste is 100% satisfied. They are just moved in the house, and this is what the house is ready.
All right. Introduction. The entrance of the house actually is introducing the basic element.
Yes.
I think we are going to see a lot of marble.
Yes,
Lot
there's
of
a lot
wood?
of there are a lot of marble in the house, flooring, cladding, every other thing. A lot of other marble accent walls that has been done in the house.
Like for example, this one.
Yes, this is the entrance door that we have made here. This is straight, curved, tapered, then again straight to give an accent feel to the entrance door.
And which marble is this?
This is Golden Spider Italian marble. So most of the highlighter marble is this only in the entire house.
Okay.
Wherever we have used it, we have used it as a highlighter.
Even on the staircases.
Even on the staircase, wall claddings and every other thing.
Generally, people avoid these kind of expensive and porous marble. Is it strong and full of strength?
This it totally depends on the person who's laying it. So
अच्छा.
जो laying करते हैं उनको मालूम होना चाहिए कितना porous है, कैसा है, उसको कैसे lay करना है.
Okay.
Italian marbles are always porous, but you get good textures, colors and every other thing in that only.
All right. So the role of the applicator is very important.
Yeah, the role of applicator and the knowledge of application is very important. Which chemical to be used, how it has to be used,
Okay.
and how it is going.
Done. Now talking about the entrance part. Independent house, apparently yes, we'll have a
Yes.
large size entrance
Doors.
door.
So
And-
this is
Like
अभी भी नहीं हुआ
okay,
है.
like Jesus Christ crucifixion.
Yes. So now
Okay.
people can
So full
imagine how
length.
wide this is.
Yeah, exactly.
So there was a reason behind keeping this door wide. As it's an independent house, people इतना बड़ा door बार बार खोलने करने में बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो हमने client के लिए क्या किया है? We have made this 3/4 of one of the door,
Okay.
which is fixed always closed.
All right. Then you can make this static.
Yes, and after that, person like me also, a little hefty one, can cross from the 1/3 of the door.
All right. Done.
Okay, अगर कोई सामान लेके जाना या करना है तभी ये डोर को ओपन
आपको
करने
open
की
करना है।
फैसिलिटी होती है, वरना दे हैंडल वन सिंगल डोर व्हिच इज वाइड इनफ फॉर वन पर्सन टू पास ऑन एट वन टाइम.
All right. That's what the whole
Yes.
idea is basically, and I like the whole design also because the moment you walk in, there's a large size wall.
दिस इज द लास्ट साइज वॉल दैट वी हैव डिजाइन फॉर द क्लाइंट. सो दिस इज so बोलते हैं ना कि जब फर्स्ट हिट इज द बेस्ट हिट.
Right.
For any person who's coming inside the house, this is a feature wall for them. So this is the best feature wall till now that we have ever made.
Okay.
Other projects, few good more feature walls are also coming, which we'll showcase in later future.
All right.
But this is the best feature wall till now.
Okay. And now as we said that we have used a lot of stone,
We have used
different
stone.
types of stones.
Yeah, we have used different type of stones.
Okay.
Totally.
And like this one, if you look at it,
This is pure marble again. ठीक है. इस पे हमने क्या किया है, मार्बल को अलग अलग टेक्सचर्स में पहले हमने बनवाया. उस पे गोल्डन लीफिंग एलिमेंट्स, बटरफ्लाईज, लीव्स वगैरह ऐड करवाए हैं. और आप इफ यू कैन सी इट इज गोइंग टॉप टू द सीलिंग एंड देन टर्निंग बैक इन द सीलिंग एंड हिटिंग द अदर साइड ऑफ द हाउस.
okay. All right. So it's going throughout.
It is going throughout.
Okay.
So ceiling पे मार्बल फिक्स करना इज नॉट अ स्मॉल जोक.
I was about to ask you this. How is it possible? How did you make it?
It is possible by a lot of hard work, efforts, and techniques, which when we use regularly, and when only experts can do that, non-experts cannot do that. Any common marble person, if you can just ask him if your work is going on, भैया सीलिंग पे मार्बल लगाना है, वो बोलेगा गिर जाएगा.
Right, of course,
So,
because
but there
thickness.
is, yes, thickness नहीं, load भी उसका उतना था, वजन भी होता है, सब होता है. But there are some chemicals in the market available,
Okay.
which are used properly. When used properly with proper guidance, okay, then this is possible. So this expertise we get by doing sites, interacting with different industries.
जी.
और हमारा जैसा फर्नीचर का है, हमें पता है कि कौन से केमिकल्स है, कैसा काम भी हो सकता है.
Okay.
So this is not a very regular work that is always seen. This is very intricate job, very risk taking job. अगर वो ऊपर से गिर गया या लगाते वक्त में कुछ मिसहैंडल हो गया तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. So it
And
will-
you have to make sure it stays. It should stay there.
it should stay there also.
Right.
So this has been 100% made sure.
Okay, done. So there's a theme that is nature.
Yes,
There's
that
a
is-
reindeer.
Yeah, this is reindeer. उसके thorns पूरे हैं. This is a celebrating reindeer जिसके thorns पूरे grow हो रहे हैं. If you remember Harry Potter,
Right. Oh, okay.
ठीक है, something like that. थोड़ा fantasy आ गया बोलने पर वो.
Exactly.
तो वो पूरा एक पिक्चर कैप्चर किया है हमने यहाँ पर,
Done.
ताकि अंदर आते वक्त क्लस्टरफोबिक ना लगे बिल्कुल भी.
Done.
क्योंकि फॉयर का लेंथ कम है, उसका हाइट हमने बहुत अच्छा ले लिया है.
Done. Okay.
So we have kept a lot of space here, but we have not filled it with furniture. अगर मुझे चाहिए होता है तो वहाँ पर 3-seater, 2-seater, 2-seater.
You could have easily done that.
Easily done. The place is lot. If you can see the flooring, it is too open. आपको flooring में इन्वेस्ट किया है तो दिखना भी चाहिए कि हमने मार्बल लगाया है.
Exactly.
उसको फर्नीचर से भरकर मतलब नहीं है.
Very true.
अगर नेसेसिटी ना हो, if you have a necessity of 8-seater, then go for it.
Very true.
But here there was no necessity, so we have kept it with a little light, low, beautiful living room. Accent features के लिए हमने जैसा white maroon हमारा और grey combination का veneer लिया हुआ है, marble cladded.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Independent house, they have some demerits also.
Yes.
Being an independent house, you may have some termite and moisture
Yes, that
issues.
is the reason this client wanted to avoid wood and have marble
Okay, as much as possible.
as much as possible, क्योंकि termites का 0% हो जाता है.
All right.
एंड वुड जितना भी होगा मॉड्यूलर होगा, जो भी वार्डरोब्स और किचन्स वगैरह होंगे तो
Termite
उसमें
proof
टर्माइट
जैसे.
प्रूफ आ जाएगा पूरा.
Done.
100%.
Okay. All right.
So now we have done with the foyer and the formal living. Now as you enter, this is a walkway. So walkway के पास में हमने लिफ्ट कट आउट कर दी हुई है. There was no lift provision in the house when that was given by builder.
Okay.
So हमने प्रॉपर्ली उसका कट आउट प्रोविजन नीचे से तीनों फ्लोर के लिए निकाला है without affecting the bedroom quantities.
Okay,
That
but
was
I
also
can
important.
see it's through and through. No, there's a mirror.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a mirror here just to have
The feel of it.
the feel of the bigger space. So you have kept a mirror here. तो ये जो आपको मार्बल की जो लाइंस है वो रिफ्लेक्ट होकर बड़ा दिख रहा है पूरा.
Right.
You don't
Okay.
feel little claustrophobic और वॉकवे हो गया, नैरो हो गया तो भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So
Done.
we keep these things in mind when we design a space.
True.
Yes.
Now the same marble again is being carried forward. This
Yes.
marble is expensive, isn't it?
Absolutely, sir. It's an Italian golden satwari, golden spider marble. So जहाँ सतवारी और गोल्डन स्पाइडर आ जाता है, सतवारी और नाम ही एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है.
Exactly. It's expensive. So you have to use it rationally for two reasons. One is the cost. That depends on the client.
Yes.
Second is it should not overpower your entire interior.
Absolutely.
Theme, because
Now-
the patterns are very strong.
Yes, we were also little dicey कि इतना हेवी हम लोग मार्बल ले रहे हैं तो बाकी इंटीरियर्स को कैसे लेके चलेंगे. इसीलिए हमने फिर म्यूटेड कलर्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंट्रोड्यूस किया है ताकि मार्बल भी एम्पावर हो और घर भी आपको ब्यूटीफुल लगे. सो इफ यू कैन जस्ट रोटेट द कैमरा लाइक दिस, पूरा घर आपको अच्छा लगेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं पर इतना हैवी होने के बाद भी ये मार्बल आंख में आ रहा है.
Exactly. वो overpower नहीं करना चाहिए.
वो पार नहीं हो रहा है.
Right.
So
like
now-
I can see the curtains are plain because deliberately so that
Yes.
the texture is not there.
Absolutely.
The
So,
marble is highlighted.
जो हमने कर्टन वगैरह लगाया है वो लाइट कलर का लगाया है ताकि वो भी एक बॉक्स में उठ के आ जाए, लाइटिंग से भी हाईलाइट हो जाए. एंड देन द बॉक्सिंग जो भी किया हुआ है मार्बल का वो भी इतना हेवी ग्रेन होने के बाद भी इट इज मैचिंग.
Okay, done. There's one question about the lift.
Yes.
Their lift profiles are gold
This is all brushed gold lift, totally customized for the client.
because metal pop-up color is gold
Yes,
here.
metal pop-up is gold. Internal cabin is also brushed gold, totally. 100% customized lift on order. The lift persons also that we have got a very good brand. They have supported us very well in doing this, and they were on time. Their work was intact, and every other thing that they have promised, they have provided us.
All right.
Basically, they wanted around 6 to 7 people seating, so we have given them 1, 2, 3, 4 seater at plus 2 accent chairs. 6 people seating, and if they want to lie down while watching TV or so, if there are kids in the house, they want them to sleep here. So this is for them.
Done.
Yes.
Okay, ample of natural lights. Still, we have got a lot of artificial lights provided.
Yes.
We have used cob lights. We have used false ceiling.
We have every kind of light here: direct lighting, indirect lighting, cob lighting, so that different moods can be created.
All right.
Like if you can see, I'll just off the major lighting over here. See this? So now the white lights, the major lights are off, and this is a cove light ambience.
Oh, nice.
Okay, now if I want strip lighting to be off, this is a curtain ambience. So now
Nice.
the curtains are off.
Now the natural light.
This is a natural lighting.
Okay.
So they can have mood lighting in the house depending upon.
I love that natural lights thing.
Yes.
It's creating beautiful impact, of course, because it's daytime. Nighttime
Yes.
will be different.
It will be beautiful there. Apart from that, the house is fully loaded with home automation features wherever required. See, home automation का भी ये है कि हर जगह देना जरूरी नहीं है. Home automation का feature ये भी है कि वो जहाँ required है वहीं देना सही लगता है. Now this is a curtain. This is the first part of the curtain, second part of the curtain.
There are two panels.
Yeah, there are 2 panels. Now if you can see, I've just given a push. Sensor activate हो गया और दोनों curtains open हो रहा है.
On their own?
On their own. I am not
Wow.
doing anything.
Both the panels.
Yes, this home automation can be done in operated by 4 ways. One is switch, one is hand. ठीक है, मेरे को पूरा कर्टन खींचने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा, मैंने जस्ट उसको एक फ्लो दिया और वो अपने आप चला गया.
Right.
Third is application. Fourth is remote control.
All right.
You get all 4 features for this home automation.
Okay.
And the company that we have got the home automation done is also from a German brand called Fibaro.
Okay.
Okay, so Fibaro is the best, one of the best companies
Brands.
for home automation, wired and wireless.
Okay.
So they have done the entire thing for us here. Though it is a little expensive, but you get what features you want. It's a
Right.
custom tailor-made home automation. Like we give
Okay.
tailor-made solutions, they also come up with tailor-made home automations. जैसा आप एक वेबसाइट का स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हो ना,
Exactly.
वैसा हर एक होम ऑटोमेशन का ये लोग स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं हमारे लिए.
अच्छा.
कि मुझे ये बटन दबाने पर ये एम्बियंस चाहिए, ये ऐसा चाहिए. So now I'm just pushing it back again for you.
It goes back to its own shape.
Yes.
That's
Similarly
nice.
goes for shears also, the mains also.
Yeah, you
Every
can
other thing is
utilize
like
this
that.
everywhere.
Yes.
Oh, that totally depends on the customer's requirement.
Yes, in the
right?
daytime they can open the main, keep the shear. Night time में वो दोनों बंद कर सकते हैं ambient lighting के लिए.
Done.
वैसा हो जाए. So this is the second feature wall that we have given it to the client.
This is the reverse side of the same wall.
Reverse side of the same wall, but इनको double side से इनको
Right.
डबल हाइट मिल गया है. Because ये इनका बेड ऊपर के फ्लोर में राइट साइड पे इनका बेडरूम्स का एरिया है.
Okay.
So they can just come out, sneak and see what is going on in the bottom.
All right, just to monitor.
Just to monitor. बाहर के साइड में foyer एरिया था और ड्राइंग लिविंग रूम था, तो वहाँ पर उसकी जरूरत नहीं थी.
Right.
And
What
this is
height?
the beautiful feature wall that we have given. पूरा मार्बल में डिफरेंट कार्विंग का काम किया हुआ है इस पे CNC का, और ब्यूटीफुल मॉसेस लगाए हैं बीच में
जी.
कलर्ड फ्लावर्स के साथ. एंड दिस गोइंग ऑल अवे टिल यू कैन सी अस.
Yeah, I can see.
How are you there? So the same technique of illusion is used here. This is a 22 feet height,
Okay.
and we have given a mirror at the end so that ये जितना भी हाइट रहेगा उतना और डबल के ऊपर दिखेगा आपको.
Exactly.
So if I
I'm
am
just
not
wondering-
standing and taking the see now you can see the frame where we are not standing. So this feels like infinity continuing.
Exactly. That's what I was about to say. That it has become double the height, right?
Yes. So 22 था 44 के आसपास दिखेगा किसी को भी immediately, जब तक वो रियलाइज ना करे खुद को देखकर कि वो मिरर आया है वहाँ.
Exactly. Okay. What is inside in there?
Inside and
As in this? No. This. There are two walls. This is one single wall.
This one wall एक
Okay.
तरफ में रिएंडियर का काम किया हुआ और नेक्स्ट साइड में इसका काम किया हुआ है.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like a block.
नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं लोग, जब डबल लाइट कट करते हैं इसको वन साइड पुश कर देते हैं ताकि सामने का बड़ा हो जाए.
Right.
बट हमने थोड़ा क्लाइंट के साथ मिलकर इसको अप्रूवल लिया कि सर इसको थोड़ा यहाँ रखते हैं. सो व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग हियर यू हैव योर फॉर्मल
Movement.
प्राइवेसी. आप इधर से यहाँ मूव कर रहे हो डाइनिंग से किचन, किचन से लिविंग, तो आपको प्राइवेसी भी रहेगा. और ये फीचर वॉल आप खुद के लिए भी तो कुछ बनवाओ फीचरली.
Exactly.
जब आप फिरते हुए देखो तो ग्रीनरी आपको दिखना चाहिए,
Right.
कुछ दिखना चाहिए करके.
So we have created this feature wall with the help of marble.
Yes.
Okay. On the floor also we have got used 3 different type of marble.
No, only at this lift area we have tried to create a step up and step down. तो जस्ट लिफ्ट से जो दूसरे फ्लोर पे जब बाहर निकलेंगे लोग, ताकि उनको एक अलग ही एंट्री दिखे.
Okay. थोड़ा सा एक रॉयल फील देने के लिए.
Yes.
Okay. Done. Moving on to the other side of it now. दूसरे साइड देखते हैं अभी.
Yes.
ये this area.
This is the serene, beautiful, the best dining table and the kitchen set that I have. made here. So same again, the chandelier part, उस ऊपर आप देखेंगे जो मार्बल का काम ऊपर भी वहाँ पर भी सेम वैसे ही किया हुआ है जैसा हमारा एंट्रेंस वॉल पे किया था.
Right.
So we have not changed the highlighters, we have used the highlighters same where, same highlighters everywhere.
You have carried
It through the thing.
Right.
So when you see the dining table from here, this view I like the most. Dining table, console and the mirror wall.
Very nice. Very well
बहुत ही
done.
beautiful आया हुआ है इनका. The selection of colors, textures, everything. The client was totally open in selecting everything.
Okay.
और
done.
वो उनको भी जो पसंद आ रहा था अल्टीमेटली रूम हर एक चीज़ में जा रहा था वो. लाइक द
Done.
वॉलपेपर ऑल्सो आपने यहाँ पर रोज गोल्ड फिनिश के मिरर्स वगैरह लिए हैं, फर्नीचर भी वैसे लिया है, वॉलपेपर भी वहाँ पर वही टोन का उन्होंने लिया हुआ है.
Done. And surprisingly, from metal to from gold to rose gold, but it is not giving any kind of a shock.
Yes, it is too subtle. This is like too serene and too subtle.
Right.
Nothing is popping out, nothing is low. They look very beautiful.
Why
And-
we went for the rose gold? Now I know the reason, because there's a pink color. Entire pantry is there.
Yes, the
Okay.
kitchen. This is the dry kitchen of them. तो यहाँ पर ये island counter हमने बनाया है in pure black color, which is this is Caesar stone that we have used here on the countertop. यहाँ पर उनको 2 burner induction hob दिया to just दूध गर्म करना हो, चाय बनानी
Very,
हो,
very
करना,
basic.
very basic work
Okay.
cooking के हिसाब से.
Right.
And there is one black color carousel sink and tap. If you can see the shutters, baby pink color glass shutters. This is glass.
Acha. The finish is glass.
The finish is glass. Baby pink color glass shutters with black profiles combination. So this is all black. The profiles are black to show them the thing. The drawers are all glass drawers with cutlery holders.
Soft close.
Soft close all.
Done.
और इनके पीछे इनको माइक्रोवेव ओवन यूनिट, टीवी, फ्रिज यूनिट वगैरह सब यहाँ पर पीछे दिया हुआ है.
Okay, I'll turn around. I was just wondering, deliberately linear chandelier is also little not very low heighted. Touching is very ceiling touching.
सीलिंग टच वो हाइट हमने डेलिबरेटली रखा है क्योंकि फिर वो ऊपर का जो मार्बल का पार्ट है ना उसके हिसाब से सब मैच करते हुए वी हैव केप्ट द लाइट.
All right. So there are some appliances as well,
Yeah,
but
so-
all of them are concealed.
All of them are concealed. So this is a tall unit cabinetry.
You get very cerebral, very seamless look.
It is all seamless. Everything is concealed inside it. अब जैसा मैं आपको खोलूंगा इसके अंदर स्टोरेज नहीं है, इसके अंदर है फ्रिज.
Okay, look at this. Now I can see that the smile is
So
actually
this is
floating.
what integration means. Usage of the kitchen. ये फ्रिज हो गया आपका
Right.
और ये आ गया फ्रीजर.
Okay. Done.
Okay.
Double door fridge is used very very seamlessly. Okay.
Then this unit is a superb
Comfortable.
comfortable storage unit which can come out. I think the things are kept there. I should not pull out right now.
Yeah, please do.
So this entire unit will come out. हमारे showroom के video में we have shown this.
Right. So now we have got
Now
microwave.
this is oven, microwave oven,
What is this? Push tray?
food warmer. Like
Okay.
आपके प्लेट में खाना रखा है, आप लेट हो गए खाने के लिए, आपको गर्म करना है, आप डायरेक्ट इसमें लगाइए और अंदर कर दीजिए. The food will get warm.
Will remain what? Warm.
Yes.
Okay.
इसके ऊपर स्टोरेजेस दिया हुआ है. As now the lady height is little smaller. ये पुल डाउन स्टोरेज है उनके लिए.
Nice.
So now she can access.
All
And
the
then
units.
it has gone back.
Okay. Cool. Likewise, we have used everywhere.
Likewise everywhere. So यहाँ पर ये है. नीचे आपका शेल्फ स्टोरेज है फॉर हैवी मटेरियल्स. यहाँ पर ऊपर भी वही आपका अगेन 2 pieces. Then you have again one tall unit.
Okay.
ठीक है.
So full storage.
Yes, यहाँ पर ड्रॉवर स्टोरेज दिया हुआ है. You can come from this side and see. These are all drawer storages. Drawers है इसके अंदर में. So all type of accessories we have tried to accommodate here.
Okay.
और इसके बाद में ये वाला जो स्टोरेज है ये डबल पैंट्री यूनिट है. Like this. Similarly ये वाला भी डोर ओपन हो जाएगा. Some box is kept here, so it is little difficult for us. ये वाला पूरा क्रॉकरी कैबिनेट है.
Okay.
So
Done.
one cabinet stores everything.
Super good. I think the storage problem is sorted now.
Storage problem is totally sorted and without compromising on aesthetic looks. हमने ये किचन बनाकर ये स्पेसिफाई किया है कि किचन प्लेटफॉर्म, डैडो और ऊपर का यूनिट खाली वैसा नहीं होता है.
The very unconventional kitchen actually,
Yes.
if you look at it, and this can be used as proper typical
They are
Indian
using
cooking
it as a
functional?
cooking kitchen only, functional kitchen.
Okay. How
When
about the
they-
smell, exhaust, ventilation?
This is what
Okay.
you see is chimney.
Oh.
So the entire exhaust, this is ceiling chimney. So the entire exhaust system is taken care by this.
All right. Okay.
Yes, and apart from that, we also have a small wet kitchen here.
Which
ये
side?
इसको हम ड्राई किचन बोलते हैं. जो मेड्स कुकिंग के लिए है वो वेट किचन है. So which is behind this door. थोड़ा और
जी
नीचे.
ये basically for the maids those who want to do the basic cooking.
Yes.
बताइए.
So this is the wet kitchen inside, where the regular basic cooking is done by maids and all.
All right.
Yeah, so not a part of the house now.
Okay. So it's kind of a separation given.
It's kind of a separation that we have done. So ये कुछ नहीं था. We have made all these civil changes in the plan and got it done.
ये guest bedroom है I guess.
Yes, sir. This is the guest bedroom of the house. Very decent. They wanted very sleek, simple, elegant room for the ground floor. So this is one bed which is in leather given with two side tables, one 2-door sliding wardrobe, and one TV unit.
Okay.
Yeah. So this room is made total minimalistic, without neglecting that it's a part of the house. And as per the client, they loved it the way it has come out. So now the major ceiling lights are turned off, sir. आप खाली ambient lights में हो. In the ambient lights, this is the ambience for the entire place.
It looks very different.
It looks too serene. Now, if you can see, if you want to know the difference, I'll just show it to the viewers. I'm just switching on the lights. So this is bright when they want the dining area. Now, this is the ambience if they want
Very
to have
nice.
it in the subtle areas.
Very
So
nice.
this is
Light
on one
plays such
click.
an important
One
role.
click ambience बोलते हैं इनको home automation में. So on single click you can get this ambience
Okay.
changed according to you. Yeah. So now before we go up upstairs, this is what I like to show you. This is a powder room.
This was a dead space.
Yes, this is a space below the
Stairs.
stairs. So we have made a powder room here. A beautiful color combination.
Very nice.
And
This has
lighting
come out
effects.
very well.
Yes, now if you can see the ceiling part, here also the tiling is done very properly and the lighting is inserted in the tile,
Wow, this is very
carrying
nice.
out and giving it a very beautiful effect.
Right. I just loved it. I mean, I don't think anybody knows this art of making the best of the dead space. And it's a powder room, so there's no bathing area.
There's
just
no bathing
WC
area.
And
There's no bathing area, it is the washroom and the WC given there.
all right.
In the door of the powder room also you can see this is glass actually.
Okay.
So just not to have any obstruction from outside and visibility, we have made it this way. So glass there.
Very nice. This has come out very well. Even the door of the glass.
So now as I was mentioning you, जैसे हम लिफ्ट से बाहर निकलते हैं, so this is kind of a private area that we land to
On first floor.
on the first floor and other floors. इसलिए हमने इसका फ्लोरिंग पैटर्न चेंज किया था.
जी.
लिविंग रूम
Hmm.
that we have curated for the client. Same again
Wow.
वही veneer हमने कंटिन्यू किया है. ACs are mounted there. And जैसा आप पीछे का बैकड्रॉप देखोगे, this is purely we have curated with stucco finish material and copper का हमने उसमें काम करवाया है पूरा हर जगह पे और lines engrave करवाई हैं.
What is this material that is used here?
Which one? This is copper.
Okay. This.
This is copper and this is a secret material.
Okay.
अगर मैं बोल दूंगा तो उसका वैल्यू चला जाएगा. हमने
I
बहुत
was about to understand
बहुत
what
सस्ता वाला मटेरियल में लोग लिया है.
अच्छा. Secret material.
Yes.
You have named it actually. There's nothing called secret material. Secret as in because you don't want to disclose it.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes, you don't want to disclose it. फिर मतलब नहीं गिरेगा ना, लोग कॉल नहीं करेंगे हमें, लोग हमारे पास आएंगे नहीं, वो खुद ही बना लेंगे.
All right.
या फिर
But
वो
I like it.
उनके डिजाइनर को दिखाएंगे कि हमें ये वाला चीज ये इसको बोलते हैं आप लगाओ.
Exactly. मुझे लगता है टाइल्स के जैसा कुछ है ये. I
हाँ,
don't
ये
know.
वैसे ही सीक्रेट है जैसा हम मार्बल सीलिंग पे लगाते हैं और इतना हाइट्स में लगा रहे हैं, वो हमने डिस्क्लोज नहीं किया. ये भी हम डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा ठीक बात है. I know there are certain things that you develop over the period of time and they should be with
This
you.
is our expertise. People come to us for this.
Okay, done. And this, I just love this sofa. Is it leather?
Yeah, this is pure leather sofa with recliner and backrest adjusters. Totally made in leather. सेंटर टेबल उसके साथ में बस एक रखना है कर हमने रखा है,
Done.
वैसा उसका जरूरत नहीं था यहाँ पर.
What I feel, Gideshi, this first floor is totally a private area.
This is a private area. Ground floor is only for kitchen and outsiders. So all the bedrooms are there on the first floor and this is a first floor living.
Okay.
So family uses this floor more.
All right. That's the
Yes.
reason even the walk-in closet is also very different and separate.
Which
I mean,
one?
independent, the
Yes,
wardrobe. We'll check
yes.
that out. Okay, temple.
Temple, this is a pure marble temple. Marble walls, marble ceiling, marble everything here. So this is we have curated, we have designed personally each and every element of this temple. The designs, the elephants, the leaves,
Okay.
Om, swastik, This total command for the temple outside
Very
in honeycomb maze.
Very beautiful, very nice. Trust
Yeah.
me, this come out very well. I am not a huge fan of Korean
Yes.
material because that doesn't look. I mean, this has a natural form.
This has a natural beauty. So the vendors also that we have used in making this are also very good. वो common vendors नहीं है, ये पूरे luxury काम करने वाले ही हमारे कारीगर है जो ये काम करते हैं.
ये सब हैदराबाद में बना है.
ये सभी यहाँ पर बना है.
Very nice, बहुत अच्छा बना है.
एवरीथिंग द ग्लास डोर्स. अभी टेम्पल में भी हमारा मतलब यही था कि जब हम टेम्पल मार्बल का बना रहे हैं तो उसको फिर डोर से क्यों पैक करना.
Exactly, that should
दैट
be
इज व्हाई
visible.
वी हैव यूज्ड ग्लास डोर्स बट वी हैव नॉट चेंज्ड द एलिमेंट. गोल्ड इज गोल्ड हियर.
Right, and this actually gives you a separation. Also, it gives you the
Yes.
The fume and the smoke in case there's anything and you want to restrict,
Absolutely
you can
right.
do that. Exhaust fan है इसके अंदर.
एग्जॉस्ट फैन भी अंदर इनबिल्ट है
Okay.
आपका. सो द एयर सक्स आउट एंड गोस ऑन द बैक साइड.
All right.
यस. सो अभी आप देखोगे जैसे
जी.
यहाँ रेलिंग लग गई है एंड वी आर स्टैंडिंग एंड सीइंग रेलिंग इज क्वाइट हाइटेड. और जितना भी आपका डबल हाइट में नीचे से रीएंडियर आ रहा है
Right.
देन इट लीव्स बटरफ्लाईज. फिर वो पेटल्स पूरे फ्लो होके सीधा टेम्पल के पास में हमारा एंड हो रहा है.
That was the whole idea. ऐसा
दैट वाज द होल आइडिया अबाउट दिस कि वो मार्बल से स्टार्ट हो, सीलिंग में कंटिन्यू हो जाए और मार्बल में मर्ज हो जाए.
Wow, this is a beautiful concept, and also it looks like blessing of the god.
Yes.
It's very divinity form. The leaves in the form of divinity are
Yes,
actually
तो
falling
ये
on the
था
guest.
leaf nourishing था, golden leaf nourishing, that so that prosperity comes in the house.
And
वो हिसाब
it's
से इसका
going
plan
right
किया
there,
हुआ है.
ऊपर से नीचे, and then falling on the people who are
Falling on
walking
the
in.
yes.
Wow, I just love this idea.
So
Very nice.
there was a beautiful concept that we made and this has come out really well.
And now we are in.
We are in bedroom 2. This is their daughter's bedroom
Okay.
where
done.
it is made with pure Duco paint on the walls with beading work going on and a beautiful emerald green color bed.
All right.
Side tables, very minimalistic again. They didn't wanted to crowd the space. They wanted the place to look beautiful, elegant.
Right.
तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है, हमने ग्रे कलर, ग्रीन कलर एंड ओक कलर का कॉम्बिनेशन लिया है.
Oak का element कहाँ पे?
यहाँ पर आपके.
अच्छा, done. Okay.
So the entire ceiling here is done with oak. And similarly जैसा हम हमारा repetitive pattern repeat किया है घर के लिए illusion का, if you can just turn, आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि pattern कैसे जा रहा है.
Okay. कैसे? As in? अच्छा तो okay. Mirror with the help of mirror.
Yes.
A
तो
double
जैसा
leg.
आपने सीलिंग जैसा जा रही है आपकी, वो कंटिन्यूटी एंडलेस दिख रहा है. इट इज नॉट लुकिंग लाइक अ वॉल टू यू. सीलिंग के पास तक चला गया और सामने वो आपका वो आ रहा है. तो
This is looking like an extension of the room.
एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द रूम एज द स्पेस वाज नैरो देयर बिकॉज ऑफ द वार्डरोब एंड द डोर. तो हमने उसको एक्सटेंशन कर दिया है यहाँ पर.
Gidiji, people are generally very scared to choose these kind of colors. This is a little on the grayish tone,
Yes,
huh?
grayish
Blue
tone,
and grayish
yes.
blue.
Yes.
And they use it very partially. I mean, half of this or maybe one wall or two wall. You have used it all over throughout.
Yes, sir. All over throughout, and but if you can see, it is giving justice to the entire room.
Exactly.
It's giving justice. We have used it very properly in color tone. The lighting is intact. The color उससे ज़्यादा डार्कर कलर हमने एक इंट्रोड्यूस किया है यहाँ पर ताकि ये हाईलाइट हो जाए और वो बैकग्राउंड बन जाए. And moreover, this if you can see this, this is a seamless entry. I'll just see.
It's more like it's a wardrobe.
Yeah, so the switch is on now. So we have mirror here. This is a wardrobe, sliding door wardrobe with soft close.
Okay. This is again made by us.
Yeah, this is again made by us, and if you can see this looks like a wall to you.
Yes.
If you can see this looks like a wall to you. Now this. Oh, I'm sorry. I think this is locked currently. This is a bathroom.
Okay.
Beside
Oh,
it,
it's a concealed door.
Yes, it's a concealed door.
Okay.
Master bedroom of the house. So very light colors. Brown, not like the other rooms. Brown है, cream है इसमें, white है इसमें. There are
Alright.
3 colors that are used in the master bedroom. So ये pure leather का एक bed दिया हुआ है, which is chested finish and every other thing with 2 side tables. Ceiling में cove lighting का maximum lighting. They wanted maximum lighting, so we have divided the ceiling and given them maximum cove lights. Fan unrecognizable white color को white में blend कर दिया है.
Which brand is this?
This is Atomberg.
Uh-huh.
So these are like again remote control, app control fans
All right. Done.
Okay.
With light?
with lights.
Okay. Done. How do we decide the design? What are the basic principles when you design cove lights?
Cove
Sorry,
lights.
the false ceiling.
the fall ceiling, it's first it is decided with respect to the bed placements, the room divisions. उसके पहले रूम डिवाइड किया जाता है, बेड का प्लेसमेंट फिक्स किया जाता है, फिर फैन लगाया जाता है, उसके बाद में बचा हुआ एरिया यू हैव टू डिजाइन keeping the AC, everything in mind.
All right. Okay.
And that design then again should be inspired by the client. They should like it.
All right.
वो भी हो जाता है. तो ये रूम को बेसिकली हमने बड़ा रूम था, हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. One is the bedroom area and this is their lounge area.
Okay.
So there they are planning one big sofa set over here with 2 chairs.
All right.
So that they can have some high tea also here. And उसको एक स्पेशल बॉक्स के जैसा हमने बनाया हुआ है इन मार्बल अगेन.
Right.
टॉप पे, साइड्स पे, बॉटम पे, ताकि रूम में एक लुक भी आ जाए, ओवरडन भी ना लगे और यूसेज भी आ जाए.
This again is marble on the top.
This again is marble on the top.
Wow.
Armani brown.
Okay, and we're not disclosing how we pasted it.
Yes, absolutely.
That's our trade.
Yes.
That's a secret.
बस इसका भी रूम का कर्टन्स पूरा ऑटोमेटेड है. If you can just see this. One second, sorry.
Once you drag it and it closes
I
on
think
its own.
उसका मोटर
This
वहाँ
is
पर है.
all right. There it goes.
So wherever the motor is, there will be the dragging system basically.
All right. That's
That
how
is
the
why
whole
that was
principle
not
is.
coming. That was locked.
Okay, done. That's how the whole principle is.
Yes.
As we were saying in the beginning of the video, that there are two types of doors. In fact, you have used multiple doors in this. The principally entrance door and then interconnecting doors.
Yes.
Then second principle is entrance door, interconnecting doors, bathroom doors can be separate.
Yes.
So what is the principle? Because I have seen 3-4 types of
See, I'll
doors
tell you.
here.
Entrance door is a major door, which is a grandeur door.
Right.
After that, we have designed this beautiful door for this house, where इसको thick, if you can see the thickness of the door, this is around 3 inches. 3 inches thick के आसपास में हमने डोर बनाया है. इसका पूरा फ्रेमिंग कर एल्यूमिनियम का फ्रेम किया है पहले.
Okay.
फिर उसके ऊपर दोनों तरफ से हमने MDF लगाया, प्लाई लगाया, फिर MDF लगाकर उसके ऊपर ये CNC का वर्क किया हुआ है. Then it is PU lacquer finish is done.
All right.
And after that, in the center, we have got beautiful metal strip in the center to highlight the door. So this design is for the outside of the room, for the common areas. So all the common area doors are this.
Opening in the lobby, they will have
Opening in
this
the lobby
finish.
will have this finish, this design.
All right.
Now with respect to the bedroom inside, the doors are different.
Designed for the particular room.
Designed for the particular room. So if you can see now, when door is closed,
Okay.
so this door and this door both are matching with respect to the bedroom's design.
Oh.
The back panel design has the same symmetry.
That's what the whole idea is.
So the whole idea goes this way.
Okay. Likewise, the door designed for the daughter's room was
It has same
neoclassical theme.
Yes, it has same beadings and every other thing from inside, and from the outside it was matching the lobby doors.
Okay. And for the powder room, there was another color. There was a glass because in that area, glass was used maximum.
Glass was used maximum because it was a small area and we wanted to highlight it. As it's a big area, we have not used glass anywhere.
Okay.
And so this door leads to their walk-in closet and bathroom, which we'll show later.
Right.
Yeah. So this is now the walk-in room of the house.
Okay.
So this is not a walk-in closet. This is not a walk-in wardrobe.
Different concept.
This is the walk-in room of the house where these wardrobes are meant for everyone staying in the house. So यहाँ पर हमने ये wardrobes का apart from their bedrooms and walk-in closet, this is the place to get ready for functions. Have your all designer clothes and every other thing in a separate room, so that you can lock that and keep them inside without any hassles of the daily maids and every other thing, cleaning and everything purpose. ये पर्पस था कि यहाँ पर जब भी इनका फंक्शन वगैरह होगा तो यहाँ पर रेडी होने के लिए इनको पूरी फैसिलिटीज मिल जाए.
For example, you know what is where.
Yes,
Easy.
you know what is where. It's all
helpful.
tinted glass. You can see everything what is there inside. You can remove very easily. The wardrobes are fully loaded with accessories and all. जैसा मैं ये wardrobe open कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए. So this is now the accessory tray. Everything can be kept in here. Then
This is for your
pants and trousers, pull-outs. So if you can see, everything is matching. Nothing is out of tone. Very high-end finish, walnut finish. Trays have been given there, and everywhere they are there. It is not only at one place. जहाँ पर भी requirement आया है, सभी जगह पे वो available करा है. Gowns के लिए special place, gowns and kurtas and all के लिए. सारीज के लिए स्पेशल प्लेस है आपका. स्टैकिंग के लिए स्पेशल प्लेस दिया हुआ है. एंड दिस इज अ स्पेशल एरिया वेयर द ब्यूटीफुल मिरर एंड अ कंसोल विद ड्रेसर material is given with a salon chair, so that for the makeup and every other thing they can sit on that, and the makeup artist can come and do the makeup. After all these things, the client wanted a sofa cum bed in the room, so a sofa cum bed also is given in the room, where this can be expanded and the client can use it as sofa cum bed. If some guest or someone wants to sleep in this room, single person coming for overnight stay can have that facility also. So now also this can be used as a couch where while getting ready you can keep all your clothes which are finalized, jewelry and every other thing, sit on this, wear them and then again fold it.
Alright, this will become 6x4?
This will become, no, this is this
6x3.
ये वाला जो एरिया है आपका, इसको आगे कर फिर उसको वो करना पड़ेगा there is any guest, but this is for daily usage.
Alright, done.
Now we are going to the second floor. जैसा
Okay.
आपको मैंने बोला था ground floor is for not daily usage purpose, first floor is for the daily usage purpose. तो first से second के बीच में डबल हाइट में हमने काम किया हुआ है. तो यहाँ पर भी वही पूरा walls के साथ में शैंडिलियर दिया हुआ है विद द सेम मिरर कॉम्बिनेशन, ताकि शैंडिलियर का लेंथ भी डबल दिखे और एरिया का लेंथ भी डबल दिखे पूरा. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वॉल. थोड़ा ऊपर आके अगर हम जब शूट पूरा एक वॉल बताएंगे इन वीडियो में तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay, so this is the last floor and extremely luxurious. I just wanted to know the material used in here.
इट
Little
इज
distress.
नेचुरल स्टोन यूज किया है सर यहाँ
Okay.
पर भी, पूरा ब्लैक कलर का
Okay,
साउथ इंडिया नेचुरल स्टोन
done.
टू हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल फिनिश.
And where are we going now?
वी आर गोइंग टू द बाथरूम हियर.
Okay.
So
Nice. Very special attention is given to.
yes, so this
to
is
the
the powder
lights.
bathroom here. So any parties will be going on the terrace and so that is why this powder bathroom is made little quirky party style.
Okay.
Okay, so यहाँ पर हमने येलो कलर का पूरा क्वार्ट्ज यूज किया है WC के पास में एज एन हाइलाइटर फॉर द ब्लैक WC, एंड वॉल पे पूरा if you can see is a designer imported Spain tiles.
Okay.
तो
Little
ये जो
distressed.
गैप आता है टाइल्स के अंदर में, दिस टाइल्स आर कट दैट वे ओनली. दे कम विद दोस
Unevenness.
uneven and distressed shapes.
All right.
So this
Done.
is like this very beautiful wash basin, standing wash basin with a swan tap, tiltable.
What
and
is it
this
called as?
Swan tap.
Swan tap.
Yes, and very beautiful looking wash.
Because it's like a
bathroom.
swan snack.
Yes.
Okay, Gitaji. So time to wind up now.
Yes, Sanjeev ji.
There are certain basic questions we always ask at the end of the project video. How many days or months or years it took you to complete?
So this project took us around 2 months for designing,
Okay.
3 months for civil work,
Uh-huh.
and then again a year for interiors.
All right.
बिकॉज वो कोविड के टाइम, सेकेंड फेज ऑफ कोविड के टाइम पे था जब हमने इसको लिया था, तो लेबर का बहुत अनअवेलेबिलिटी था. सो दिस टुक अस अराउंड 1 year टू कंप्लीट.
All right. When did you hand over this?
रिसेंटली, जस्ट अबाउट अ मंथ अगो.
Okay.
स्टिल लिटिल डेकोर एंड ऑल आर पेंडिंग.
Mm-hmm.
वो भी हमारा खत्म होने के बाद में हम वो भी शूट आपको करके भेज देंगे.
All right. Whenever you take up projects like these, there are certain limitations because your team has to travel to different cities. They have to travel to different state. Not all the material, the kind of material you look for, they are available in those states.
Yes.
So, are you open to take projects in different states as well?
Sir, we are taking a project in different states as well, and we have a proper team who can travel from state to state and get the work done.
Okay.
हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का ब्यूटी यही है कि जब जो चीज़ साइट पे ज़रूरी है, जैसे फॉल सीलिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरिंग, पेंटिंग, क्लैडिंग, यही चीज़ हमारी साइट पे होती है. बाकी हमारा पूरा सब चीज़ फैक्ट्री से बनकर ही वहाँ जाता है.
Alright.
लाइक मैं एग्जाम्पल के लिए जो आप रियनडियर का वो सब देखे हैं,
फीचर वॉल जो हमने
फीचर
देखा।
वॉल देखे हैं, और जो ग्रास का फीचर वॉल देखे हैं आपने, जो आपने दूसरे फीचर वॉल देखे, स्टेयरकेस का वगैरह का, वो सब मेजरमेंट्स लेकर फैक्ट्री में बनने के बाद, कट होने के बाद में
CNC कट वर्क होने के बाद।
सब वहाँ होता है, और सब यहाँ पर आके खाली पेस्टिंग होता है. यहाँ पर 10 दिन का काम है बस.
All right.
दैट्स द
है.
डिफरेंस.
Otherwise, appliances, electronics, that you get everything, fans.
Anywhere, anything.
Right?
So yeah,
Okay.
so we plan the project very well in such a way that everything are organized
Everything
in
is
proper way.
organized.
कहाँ से प्रोक्योर करना है, कैसा करना है, सब डिटेल्स क्लाइंट को दे दी जाती है पहले
ठीक
ही.
है.
एंड ये तो हमारा हैदराबाद का ही प्रोजेक्ट है, तो यहाँ पर एवरीथिंग वर इनटू आवर हैंड्स, so हम पूरा इजीली उसको कर पाए हैं.
Done. All right. So let's walk and talk. Okay.
Yes.
तो कुछ एक अमाउंट का भी रहता होगा?
किसका?
कुछ मतलब एक डू यू हैव प्रोजेक्ट वैल्यू, इतने प्रोजेक्ट वैल्यू का हम एक प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं ऐसा आउट ऑफ स्टेट के लिए?
सर ऐसा नहीं है, अदर स्टेट्स के लिए भी हमारा डिज़ाइन कंसल्टेशन चार्ज है, हमारा एग्जीक्यूशन चार्ज है
जी.
वो हम लेते हैं. बाकी कस्टमर का जो भी बजट हो उसके अंदर में जो भी बेस्ट कस्टमर के लिए आता है, उनको जो वायबल लगे हम वो हिसाब से करते हैं. बेसिकली वी आर डूइंग प्रोजेक्ट्स फ्रॉम अराउंड 4,000 स्क्वायर फुट टू 10,000 स्क्वायर फुट. अभी जो
Area.
हमारे पूरे प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं,
अच्छा.
1300-1400 1500 स्क्वायर फुट के प्रोजेक्ट्स हमारे अभी कोई चल नहीं रहे हैं, बट वी आर रेडी टू टेक इट ऑल्सो. द क्लाइंट इज वांटिंग टू मेक देयर इंटीरियर्स दिस वे.
All right.
उनको लग्जरी इंटीरियर्स चाहिए, हम 1000 स्क्वायर फुट का फ्लैट भी करने के लिए रेडी है, बट दे शुड हैव द विजन ऑफ लग्जरी इंटीरियर्स.
All right. Okay, and luxury comes with a price tag.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you very much. It was a pleasure meeting you once again, and very lavish apartment, very lavish independent house, and it was fun meeting you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
much.
much. Bye bye.